The 2025 Ural Tornado Car is a revolutionary vehicle that blends rugged off-road capabilities with modern design and cutting-edge technology. This car is built for adventure seekers who want power, durability, and comfort in a single package. With its bold exterior, advanced safety features, and high-performance engine, the Ural Tornado is set to make a mark in the automotive industry. Under the hood, the Ural Tornado boasts a powerful turbocharged engine, designed to deliver exceptional performance across various terrains. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, making it ideal for both urban roads and challenging off-road trails. The car's high ground clearance and reinforced suspension system provide a smooth and controlled ride, even in the toughest conditions. Whether tackling steep inclines or cruising on highways, the Ural Tornado offers an exhilarating driving experience. The exterior design of the 2025 Ural Tornado is both aggressive and stylish. It features a robust front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular body that exudes strength and confidence. The aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining a bold and commanding road presence. The vehicle comes equipped with heavy-duty skid plates, roof rails, and optional off-road tires, making it a perfect choice for adventure enthusiasts. The Tornado's sturdy frame is designed to withstand harsh environments, ensuring longevity and reliability. Inside the cabin, the Ural Tornado provides a blend of luxury and functionality. The spacious interior is designed with premium materials, offering maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. The ergonomic seats are covered in high-quality leather with heating and ventilation options, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. The advanced infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice controls. The premium audio system delivers immersive sound quality, making every journey enjoyable. Ample cargo space and foldable rear seats provide versatility for long trips and outdoor adventures. When it comes to technology and safety, the Ural Tornado is equipped with state-of-the-art features. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides enhanced visibility, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The car also includes multiple airbags, a reinforced safety cage, and intelligent stability control for maximum protection. Connectivity features such as wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot keep passengers connected on the go. The performance of the Ural Tornado is unmatched in its category. The engine delivers impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring quick acceleration and powerful towing capabilities. The fuel efficiency is optimized with an intelligent fuel management system, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long-distance travel. The specially tuned suspension system absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a comfortable ride on rough terrains. The responsive steering and advanced braking system offer precise control, giving drivers confidence behind the wheel. In conclusion, the 2025 Ural Tornado Car is an all-terrain beast that combines power, style, and advanced technology. Its rugged build, high-performance capabilities, and luxurious interior make it a top choice for those who seek adventure without compromising comfort. Whether navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails, the Ural Tornado is designed to deliver an outstanding driving experience. For more updates on the latest cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content and in-depth reviews of upcoming vehicles.